a Tesla delivery date of sorts. The wall connector. Unfortunately, it's not going to connect to this guy. Let's unbox it. Tesla wall connector. Spin round. Beautiful. It is going to go there and plug into not the Cox 69. Hopefully my new Tesla. One day I might have a Tesla from my Tesla channel. That would be nice. Until then, everybody, we're all stuck with the Cox 69. You having any problems with petrol? You want an EV? You want a cat? Look how sunny it is in Edinburgh. Life's good. Hiya. 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 Would be nice to get my Ultra Red though. Comment below if you're having problems with your orders, Tesla chat, filling up, any issues. And you can message me if you want a wee cat as well. He's called Eddie.